So you're gonna put one foot back on the wall here. You're gonna activate your hamstrings by pretending like you're bringing your legs together. You're then gonna get into that hip hinge, and then you're gonna rotate your pelvis on top of this leg. So pelvis is gonna rotate this way. This knee stays pointed forwards, and you're gonna rotate towards your leg. At this point, that's where you should feel kind of a little stretching in your deep hip muscles. So rotate and rotate towards your leg.